Hello and welcome. My name is Aska Sinai and I'm part of the product development team here at Sodales Solutions. And today we're going to be talking about the labor relations management software built on the SAP Cloud Platform for both your unionized as well as your non-unionized workforce. And the reason that this product has been so high in demand in the past couple of years, it's becoming more and more critical for companies to be compliant with their company policies, making sure that they're avoiding any type of costs related to union claims, and also making sure that they are avoiding any future potential lawsuits. So this is a solution which covers the end-to-end process of managing your grievances, also disciplines, and this is all employee disciplines, which is being loaded into the employee history once this is logged, which can also potentially help with future performance reviews for the employees or succession plans. We also have the collective bargain agreement, the CBA Manager, as you can see over to the left side here. So any type of policy documents that you want to push out to those employees, or there's CBAs and contracts which are being negotiated from time to time and they need to be updated. You have the ability to go into the system and update that language and keep an audit log of who's this person that made the update, on what date the change was made, who are the approvers, those type of details. We can take your current documents and parse that data and load it into the system, giving you the ability to manage it in the future and have that information in the searchable engine. We also have the ability to log grievances and also make reference to previous grievances, similar grievance types, to make sure that we're staying consistent with our previous decisions. So you have that reference point there throughout your step meetings. And defaulting those step meeting dates, you have the ability to set some rules related to those grievances in the administrative console. And emails are taken care of. We also support the ability to log any type of external contacts if you want to go into the system and put in their email addresses and send out email communications. You may be a union rep who is not part of your core HR. Definitely have the capability to send out communications to external employees as well. And then for the disciplinary process, we have something that's more basic and we have something that's a little bit more advanced as well. And those disciplines that we can send out letter templates or generate letter templates from the system to send them out to the employees right from the tool. And all this data that's being captured can then be reported on. Finally, we have a job bidding module as well. If you have a unionized workforce, most unionized companies prefer to hire internally. We can use a seniority engine to do the calculations of the employees and do an eligibility check for when anybody applies for a job bid. And we have the regular job bidding, but we also have multi-job bids. We can support mass bidding. And the entire bid awarding process can be unique from company to company. So it is a very flexible and a configurable tool, and we're able to take those unique requirements and replicate them using our system templates. And finally, the ability to also do an eligibility check for our employees and making sure that they are eligible to bid for that particular job post. So here's some examples. These are just some screens. You can see they're configurable screens. Here I have the ability to select my grievance. I can select multiple grievances, make reference to them. This screen here shows us a summary of what's going on as part of this grievance. So you have that audit log all in chronological order if you want to go back and look at what took place as part of this incident throughout the step meetings. Here's the CBA Manager, which shows us the different types of updates that are being made as the language is being updated, as the clauses are being updated. And you have the ability to make those updates in here, make attachments. You're parsing your current CBAs and loading them into the system, and you have the ability to search on that information. This is a reporting screen. As you can see, we have dashboards over to the left side. You can do geographical analysis. You can look at pie charts, any type of report that you want to see, high level. You can switch between graphical and tabular reports, doing cost analysis, looking at location-based reports. You can have a monthly range to look at. So all of that information is displayed, and again, we can do ad hoc reports as well. So our solution can be supported on mobile devices, tablets, iPads. You can also, obviously, the desktop. So it is a responsive application. It is configurable. It is role-based. And it is fully integrated with SuccessFactors. If there's any other systems you want to integrate with, we do have our pre-built integration hub. So those are some conversations that we can have during the initial implementation. So if any of these points look like they're right within your wheelhouse, I'm happy to schedule a more detailed demonstration for you where we can walk you through all the system capabilities. Obviously, it is a very extensive tool, and due to shortage of time, it's really impossible to go through everything in just 5 minutes of a demonstration. So happy to schedule that for you. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to me directly via email, or my cell phone number is also on the screen. And I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks so much for listening in, and take care.